How does the concept of free speech differ in the US and the UK? The differences between free speech in the UK and the US largely stem from historical, legal, and cultural contexts. Here's a comparison. United States. First Amendment. The U.S. Constitution explicitly protects freedom of speech under the First Amendment, establishing it as a fundamental right. This protection is very broad and encompasses a wide range of expression, including controversial and offensive speech. Limited restrictions. The U.S. has very few legal restrictions on speech. Exceptions include incitement to violence, true threats, and certain forms of obscenity, but these are narrowly defined. The courts often prioritize free speech even in challenging cases. Cultural emphasis. There is a strong cultural belief in individual rights and freedoms, making free speech a core part of American identity. The idea of being able to speak freely, even if it offends others, is highly valued. United Kingdom. Legal framework. The UK does not have a single constitutional protection for free speech. Instead, rights are protected through various laws, including the Human Rights Act and specific statutes. This creates a more nuanced approach, where free expression is balanced with other rights. Greater restrictions. The UK has laws that restrict certain types of speech, such as hate speech and defamation. These laws are designed to protect individuals and communities from harm, reflecting a more collective approach to rights. Cultural context. The UK has a long history of valuing social harmony and respect for others, which influences its legal framework. There's often a focus on balancing individual rights with the rights of the community, leading to more restrictions on expression. Why the differences? Historical context. The U.S. was founded on principles of individual liberty and revolution against tyranny, while the UK has a more gradual evolution of rights, rooted in common law and parliamentary democracy. Legal traditions. The U.S. relies on a constitutional framework with a clear emphasis on rights, while the UK's common law system allows for more flexible interpretations based on societal needs and values. Cultural values. The American emphasis on individualism contrasts with the UK's focus on community and social responsibility, influencing how free speech is perceived and regulated. These differences reflect broader societal values and priorities in each country, shaping their respective approaches to freedom of expression.